beginner at YouTube. Just want to make my own DIY video on making a chum bait homemade with a PVC pipe. I got drill bits for various sizes. I got a 3-inch PVC pipe. I bought it at a certain length, so I have to cut it to my desire. I wanted it this short so it can be easy for travel in a kayak. Cut it in half to my length. I got one in where you can screw in the cap over here so that you can in and out your chum as much as you like. This side here, I'm going to have to drill a hole right here so I can put my retrieval rope right here and I can retrieve it from the kayak. Got my drill. That's really about it. Drill bits. Oh, you can't forget your cement. So here it is. Got the retrieval rope. It's hanging. It has all the holes. It's been cut. It's been glued. At the very other end, the only thing that comes apart is this top right here, where you insert your chum. You put it in there. There it is. You get done with it. You close it. This is just, like I said, a beginner video for me, D.I.Y for kayak fishermen. My first time doing something like this. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like, hit the like button, comment. This is 3-inch PVC pipe. Just wanted to show you. It looks like if you wrap up the rope. Also, I got this idea from another YouTube video that gave me instructions on how to make this. So to that person, thank you for showing me. Now I made my first video. Thank you.